First up, Higgsfield. They just dropped demos of their new text-to-video model, and honestly, the quality is unreal. You type in a description, and instead of stiff or glitchy outputs, you get cinematic-style videos with smooth motion, dynamic lighting, and characters that actually emote. One of the demos looked like it could come straight from Pixar. Expressive faces, natural physiques, even camera pans that feel like a human filmed it. Up until now, most AI video models either nailed visuals or movement. They rarely did both. Higgsfield is bridging that gap, and this could be massive for indie creators, ad agencies, and even YouTubers who want short, animated scenes without hiring a studio. Imagine spinning up a fully animated short film in hours instead of months. It kind of reminds me when Midjourney first arrived for images, a clear leap forward that sets a new bar. If Higgsfield can keep improving at this pace, we may start seeing entire AI-generated shows hitting the internet sooner than people think. Next up, Krea AI. They're already known for pushing the boundaries in generative design, but this update changes the workflow game. The new system is all about real-time iteration. Instead of generating a new design, waiting, and reprompting, you can tweak on the fly. Even better, Krea has introduced style locking. That means if you feed it your brand's look, you say your color palette, fonts, or logo, it keeps every single output consistent. Think about what that means for businesses. No more AI designs that look great but don't fit your brand. A marketing team could generate ad creatives, product mockups, and social posts, all perfectly on brand in minutes. This has potential to put traditional design agencies under pressure. We pay thousands for a batch of graphics when your AI can pump them out instantly and stay on brand. Of course, designers will still matter for strategy and creative, but tools like this could really reshape how designs get done. Now onto Microsoft. This is huge. They've announced that users of Microsoft 365 Copilot can now choose between multiple AI models inside their workflows. Up until now, most enterprise AI solutions locked you into one provider. If you wanted GPT, you use GPT. If you wanted Claude, you had to go somewhere else. But with this update, you can mix and match models for different tasks inside the same system. So for example, your research assistant could run on Claude, which is known for reasoning. Your summarization tool could run on GPT-5, which is great at speed and concise answers. Microsoft is basically saying instead of betting on one winner, they're building the ultimate multi-model ecosystem. This could set precedent for the rest of the enterprise AI solutions, making model choice the new standard. It also signals a power shift. If enterprises get to choose which models they want, the best model wins on merit, not just exclusivity. That's good for competition and great for users. Meanwhile, Google Search is making moves. They've officially launched Search Live in the US, and this feels like one of the most practical updates that they've made in years. Here's how it works. Gonna play this quick video. We'll see if we can hear it. I'm gonna do my best. If not, I'll just cut this out.
Want to learn how to make a matcha at home? Now you can talk in real time with Search. Just open the Google app and tap on the live icon to ask, why should I use this over a frother?
What you're pointing to is a chasen, a bamboo whisk traditionally used to prepare matcha. A chasen creates a finer, creamier froth with smaller bubbles than an electric frother. It can lead to a smoother, less clumpy matcha with better flavor.
Okay, that makes sense. I'm using this for the first time. How do I use it correctly?
You'll need to whisk matcha and water in a bowl using a zigzag or W-shaped motion, focusing on the speed of your wrist, not your arm.
Whew, okay, got it. What is a good order to combine to make an iced matcha?
To make an iced matcha latte, first, whisk the matcha powder with a small amount of hot water in a bowl.
So less about websites and more about direct answers, just talking straight with the AI. I mean, for creators and businesses, this could be disruptive. Less traffic to blogs, but for users, it's instantly more convenient. It also shows Google's responding to AI pressure, with Perplexity and ChatGPT starting to eat into each other's search habits. Search Live feels like their attempt to stay ahead. And finally, another Microsoft bombshell, Anthropic has officially joined the Copilot Studio lineup. That means Claude Sonnet 4 and Claude Opus 4.1 are now available directly inside Copilot Studio. So if you're building custom AI agents for your businesses, you can now choose Anthropic models for advanced reasoning alongside OpenAI models for speed, and even others in them. Admins can mix models across workflows, So your HR onboarding agent might use Claude for handling policy questions, while your sales assistant uses GPT-5 for fast leading responses. This isn't about adding another model, it's about multi-model orchestration, the ability to build AI systems that pull from the strengths of different providers. Enterprises have been asking this for years, and Microsoft is delivering. Quick little demo right here, Copilot. Microsoft is something I've not been, don't use that quite as much. So to recap, Higgsfield is making Pixar-level AI videos a reality. Krea is giving brands real-time decision consistency. Microsoft is opening up model choice and bringing Anthropic into Copilot Studio. And Google Search is reinventing itself with live step-by-step tips. Which of these do you think has the biggest impact? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And as always, if you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and if you want access to this digital playbook right here that has 130 AI tools and a bunch of other prompts and short form videos, just go ahead and click the link below and you will get taken to this screen. Well, that is it for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next one.